So this is showing the power of steam, right? Interesting?
So how does it work in real life?
We'll make a base, all of us. All of us can do this ourselves. We don't need anybody else's help, okay? Then we will secure this pipe on this, okay? Then we will try to bend it like this, okay? And we will secure this on this. So as it is, it's going to stand. But the problem is, it is going to become wobbly. So to make it stable, we will give it a base. Are separate small electric boards. Okay? This is just a board, just a flat board. Okay? And on this, what we will do is, we will try to light a LED bulb. How? Through generation of electricity. So what did I tell you? Electricity needs some source of electricity. So what is the source of electricity? This. Don't touch your thing. This is the source of electricity. There are two cells. And what are two or more cells called? Batteries. Very good, Samar. Now, Iha is going to just open the bottle of sulfur for me. I'm going to just keep this here. And I'm going to very carefully. Sulfur has got a very strong smell, a typical smell of sulfur. Okay. I've just gathered some sulfur here. And Rehan is going to just light up the spirit lamp. कोई बात नहीं, अभी आ जाएगी बेटा. And he's just lit up the spirit lamp. And I'm going to heat up the sulfur. You see, it's a very fast reaction. Can you see the sulfur converting into a liquid?
Oh my god.
Right? It's just converted into a liquid. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to quickly do this and drop this here. Like this.
Okay.
So I have collected the fumes of sulfur in this.
A gas jar.
Right? In the gas jar.